praises to the Most High. The Nyabingi. Princes and princesses shall come out of Egypt. Ethiopia shall stretch forth her hands unto the Most High. Nyabingi, Jehovah Jah, Rastafari, play these drums, bring the African spirit out. You must connect with your ancestors. You are your ancestors without doubt or contradiction. Did you not know that? How could you forget the 500 years plus of trials and tribulations of Ma'afa? You better never forget your ancestors. Always pour libation and pick up a drum every now and then and beat a beat and sing a song and give thanks and praises to the Most High every day of your life for your breath. Yay. Without the sun, there would be no life. Give thanks for the sun. Without air, there would be no life. Give thanks for air. Without water, there would be no life. Give thanks for water. Without earth, there would be no life. Give thanks for the earth. And without the holy breath that lives inside of each and every last one of us, there would be no life. Give thanks for the holy breath. Hey, thy blessings to us is that the hungry be fed, the naked be clothed, the sick be nourished, the aged be protected, and the infants be cared for. Grant us a place in the hereafter forever. Provide us with divine knowledge, wisdom, understanding, strength, and love so that we may make the best decisions in this life and make the best of this life that we've been given. Selah, Ashe. Peace and blessings to all of you. Strum and drum, Nyabingi style. Heartbeat rhythm. Just like this. Replicate the heartbeat, right? Speed it up. Feel that? Heartbeat, 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 heartbeat. heartbeat. Naya benge. Naya benge. Naya bingi. Communion.